with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking of.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In case you are new here, my name is Christine, and if you are returning, thank you so much for always coming back to support my content. So today's video is all about cleaning motivation and so many other things. So as you have realized, I think my phone speaker is not okay, so my sound is a bit weird, so I won't be speaking much in this video. I will just be doing music, guys. Yeah, but we are going to clean my master bathroom, and then we will be leaving the house because I need to go and meet some few YouTubers. We are going to visit Flo Kimwele, yeah, who was blessed with a baby. So we will be heading there, but I need to wash my bathroom first before I leave. I hope that you get some motivation to do some cleaning in your house, and please like, share, and leave a comment down below. And guys, kindly do not skip the ads.
Hold back, take it far. Promise you the same. Let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers tell me so. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my.
An perfect night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. An perfect night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. Oh, oh,
So right now I want to clean my toilet bowl, and I'll be using the Maxwell toilet cleaner together with some jik and some Vim powder.
Not alone within my referee. There's holy light without a number. We stand and fight. A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my referee, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my referee, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. Oh, 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 we are not alone. Oh, we are not
As usual, for the tiles, I'll use my Vim scoring powder. Yeah, I find this so nice, so good in cleaning bathroom tiles. So I'll be scrubbing the tiles, and then I will rinse the tiles with a lot of water, because when you leave it, it leaves some when you don't rinse them well, it leaves some white residues on the tiles floor. So you really need to rinse them so well when using this Vim scoring powder.
a Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my referee, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words, but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me, cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. We're not a thing. I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you love me, cause it's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing.
So finally we met. Here we have Mary Smart Kenya in a white t-shirt, Sophia the life coach in a blue dress, and Masin Tinyari in a denim jacket. You can check out their channels, guys, and you will get some motivation from there. Yeah, please check them out, subscribe and support these girls.
This is Flo. How are you?
So as I had told you, we came to see our own Flo Kimwele. She had been blessed by a baby, and we thank God for these blessings. Please check out her channel. Yeah, her name is Flo Kimwele.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not
So this is the next day. I had made soap for some clients last week, but I didn't make my own soap, and I've run out of soap in this house. So I have decided to take this afternoon, to make some soap for myself. Though I was feeling so lazy, I didn't want to do anything, but I was moodless. I was down, guys, this day, but I had to get some strength and just make this soap, and later on make some breakfast snacks for my kids.
I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. Cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing.
So some of you still don't know where to get these chemicals, guys. You can get these chemicals at OTC. Yeah, just go at OTC stage. Check where Quick Mart supermarket is, and when you stand at the Quick Mart entrance, just ask even the soldier where you can buy chemicals for making soap. Yeah, but it's just behind the Quick Mart. There's a street by the entrance. Yeah, when you enter that street, you'll just see a big building with stairs. Yeah, you can ask there. They usually sell some items at wholesale prices. Just ask even those shop guys where you can buy these chemicals, and they will show you. It's not a hidden place, guys. It's easily accessible, and the chemicals are very affordable.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always.
So later in the evening, I wanted to make some breakfast snacks for the kids because the next day I was to leave very early in the morning. I had a client that I was taking to Isili. Yeah, so we need to make some tea scones because it's been a while since I made them tea scones. So what I'm doing, I've just taken some milk and I've added in some lemon juice and I'm stirring it. So I will leave it to settle for 15 minutes. And in my basin, I'm adding some flour. Yeah, and I will add in some sugar. This flour is self-raising flour. Yeah, the one I normally use for baking. So I will add in some salt and some sugar, and then I will mix them together until it mixes. Until I'm sure that it has mixed so well. So what I'm going to do next, I will take my margarine. So today I'll be using Prestige. That is what I normally use in this house because guys, it's affordable compared to Blue Band. My Prestige is very affordable. So I will scoop my margarine and mix in this flour thoroughly until it turns into soft bread crumbs.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on.
So right now I will take an egg and mix into the milk that I had added in some lemon juice, and then I will pour into the flour and start kneading. So I'll be adding in some milk little by little until I get the mixture that I require. It doesn't need to be so soft and it doesn't need to be thoroughly kneaded as the dough for mandazi or chapati. Yeah. So I will knead until it is the texture that I want. So it's now time to roll the dough into like an 1-inch thickness, and then I will cut into small circles. I will be using a plastic glass cup. Yeah, that is what I normally use because I don't have a cutter. So let me cut this into small circles and then we will bake them.
So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing.
So apparently I made a lot of tea scones that will push them for a while. So I will be making them into 2 batches. Yeah, so I'm preparing some egg that I want to apply on top of the tea scones, and then I will be baking them for 20 minutes at 180 degrees.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, or nothing at all. Hold these doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, oh, it's gotta be all or nothing.
All our tea scones are ready now, guys, and I will just let them cool down. On the small sufuria, I'm just boiling some water that I want to take before going to bed. Yeah, so these ones will be cooling down, and I will pack some of them tomorrow, and they will use others for breakfast. So thank you so much for watching till this far, guys. I really appreciate your support, and let me say thank you for 5,000 subscribers, guys. May God really bless you abundantly for the support that you give me on this channel. Cheers. I love you all and be blessed.